On 9 September, officials from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council visited Deopani College to inspect the site for construction of Karbi Cultural Society KCS Arnam Langpi branch office. The inspection team was led by Amar Singh Tiso, EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, along with Surjo Rongphar, EM, Mukut Mahanta, EM, Sharban Telenga, MEC, DFO, forest officials and many more were present at the time of inspection. Surjo Rongphar, EM of KAAC, while speaking to us, informed that with a vision to upgrade and beautify Deopani College and Arnam Langpi KCS office, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council purposely visited the site to inspect the actual forest land demarcation and to allocate the land for Deopani College, Arnam Langpi KCS office and a memorial park.
Lalu la sinil tunga mangke Arnam Langpi KCS amai la pen hala Deopani College la songan part ame ciri phoba ke ako isi park ason pinchoni hanake sensong sing statue la pen hala Karbi jembeliat hon an part ame hala piloma puji muniram langne la pen hala songbi alang tung si pu is Karbi Anglong part ke hula mangsok district ke hanghut ke claim ka cipadubun sensong sing ti pen claim la pera tumalang tumhan kachiki moye phan asabu part ta semanai pura song sing tuma proposal do lalo.
Rongphar also informed that within the next 2 weeks, the Forest Department would take out the initiative to demarcate the actual land boundary of the forest region, and the land excluded from it could be used for the welfare of the people of Deopani in the days to come.
Forest along le non prapdin penantum hirui nike bambung demarcate po la so penangtan ana mangke College of Panung pen lasong le mangke ayar kam claim mi pro la sila College principal ta dolo management meeting do lang tum soting pen claim po.
Subhas Terang's report from Langchathing and Anant Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.